So you want to start a YouTube channel, just grab your phone and start recording. The first thing you want to do when you start a YouTube channel is create a name for yourself that's going to fit your brand perfectly. You're going to want to start a social media account for each platform with that name. And I think that's going to be very crucial when you have a social media, because social media is free and that's how you can promote your YouTube channel. Now that you have the perfect name for your brand, the next thing you're going to want to do is make a list of ideas, topics that you're going to want to talk about on your channel. Change the topic up a lot. You know what I mean? Don't just talk about one thing. So when you only have like one topic, for instance, just doing makeup, you only gonna target the people who wants makeup. But versus someone who talks about everything, talk about fashion, talk about clothes, talk about makeup, vlogs, do all that, so you can target more than just one group of people. And when you think about your list of ideas, have about 50 to 100 topics. It sounds a lot, but when you starting off with YouTube, you're gonna have to consistently post to get your name out and get familiar with the camera. So you need a lot of topics to talk about. Now that we talked about the name for your channel and we talked about how to promote on social media, let's talk about equipment. Now, I don't suggest that you go out and spend a lot of money on equipment just yet. Wait till your channel builds, because you don't even know how long you'll be on it. You know what I mean? Cause it is kind of discouraging when you don't get a lot of views. But when I first started on YouTube, I used to use my cell phone. I just started getting new equipment for my channel on it. So in the beginning, I was forced to buy lighting, and the lighting that I did have was an umbrella light that I got from Amazon. The only reason why I invested in studio lights is because in my apartment we don't have natural lights. No, we don't have natural lighting. And natural lighting is the best to record in. I was forced to invest in a softbox light and a umbrella light, and I would spend not even $40 on that on Amazon. I'm gonna put that in the description box so you guys can check it out. I don't recommend that you go out and spend all this money on a new camera. You can just use your cell phone until you feel like it's time for you to upgrade, or it's time for you to, or you just ready to start using the camera. When I don't want to use my vlogging camera, I still use my iPhone to record. Now this, I'm about to change your life. So when you do record and you want to use your cell phone, don't use it this way. You know, everybody uses it like when they do their videos, they do it this way. When you use for YouTube, do not do it this way. You're gonna want to turn it this way. I just changed your life, right? So you want to record using this way. So for instance, when you do upload it, it'll be a wider frame instead of this way, like a Snapchat way. That makes sense? I don't recommend that you go and buy editing software until you grow or until you learn how to use it. So the editing software that is on your computer, like iMovie, I suggest that you use that. So now you have your name, you have your social media, you have your lighting or natural lighting, you have your iPhone, your Android to record, and you have the software, the editing software that comes with your laptop. Now are you ready? So we're ready to start. So when you do start doing your YouTube, I do suggest that you post every week, at least 3 times a week, consistently. You have to put yourself out there. So those are my few tips, and if you think it's too late for you to start a YouTube channel, it is not. Just do it. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, subscribe.